Hey, hello everyone. Here's Charles with Earthwise, and I wanted to show you how to make these Nikola Tesla inspired Electroculture energizers, Ether Attractors. And this was the original design from Nikola Tesla. This is about 20 inches, and you can put it in the ground, anywhere outside, in your garden, or any place that you want to attract natural energy from the ether. And I haven't tried this one yet, but I've tried lots of different ones. But basically, it's just a 1/2-inch copper pipe and 14 gauge wire, copper. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Here's a few other things that I've made. These are pretty amazing, so really fun to make, and they're very powerful. And copper bracelets, and it's an experiment. Okay, so get this copper wire, and you take a pair of regular snips. I'm just going to estimate. This isn't going to be exact because I just want to give you an example how to do it at home. There is a specific formula, but I'm not following that today. But what you do is you first bend one side, make sure you squeeze the pliers tightly, and almost touching the other side. And then make sure it's tight, and you bend this side and keep going. And continue, bend here, and continue, and continue, keeping it straight. And spin, and twist. Can you see that okay? Twisting, 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 curving around. Until you get a nice looking spiral. Continue. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. What's important is your intentions and your particular condition while you're doing it, and having fun, which is probably the most important ingredient. So just keep going, keep spinning, keep twisting, and once that you have enough where you can grab, you don't need the pliers anymore. But you have to hold it tightly, otherwise it'll get away from you. Okay, just keep going. See it? Like that. Spin. It's about 100 degrees outside, so this copper is soft, and it's easy to manipulate. Here we go, it's coming. Little by little. Yep. Yep. So far. I'm going to leave that right about there and move this one down. Yep, maybe one more. One more like that. Okay, now we start to twist it on the pipe. This is the easy part. Just twist, push it with your thumb. This 14 gauge wire is pretty simple to, doesn't give much resistance. It looks easy, but it's so powerful. When you finish, you will see the results. We have these in the garden, we have them in the greenhouse, and in the house. We use them all over, and I'm very convinced that they actually work. Right now I'll bend this up, like that, a little bit more. I put this up like that. And you can see it starts to take shape. Okay. Then a few more rounds. And then we start going down the copper pipe. There we go. Now we start to go down, down, round. Okay, so simple. Just keep going around like that. There's a lot of information available to this now on this particular technique of energizing, of capturing the ether, energy from the ether. And I consider this the most simple and basic way to attract energy. For me, this is real energy, something that's free and fun. Okay, so there you have it. It looks simple, but if you practice, you'll have a nice looking Tesla-inspired Electroculture Ether Attractor. And if you want more information, please, you can write to us. Our website is earthwise.live. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give it a try.